Rigging articulated tails has never been so easy. So we just got in the Hareline bling tail connector kits. They come in small and medium. Bunch of coloured beads, red, black, I don't know, there's about 7 or 8 different colours. So the swivel just goes under there. You connect your tail to the other end of the swivel. Slide the sleeve on. That's sprung steel wire, so the pressure holds it. Grab your beads. Usually a couple of colours works quite well for the contrast. So then tie it on to your hook shank from here, connect your tail to there, job done.